Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove Gmail account access from unwanted websites. So, let's get started. First things first, open your Gmail account. Once your Gmail account is open, look for the profile icon at the top right corner. Click on the profile icon, then click on Manage your Google account. Next, look for the left menu and tap on Security. Once you're in the Security section, scroll all the way down to Third-party apps with account access. Tap on Manage Third-party access. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps and websites that have access to your Gmail account. Click on the app or website you want to remove access from. After that, tap on Remove Access. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click OK to confirm. Remove any other extensions or apps in the same way, and you've successfully removed Gmail account access from unwanted websites and apps. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.